Hello, hello. Hope everybody's been doing well. I had to rearrange my little setup here because I have a huge unboxing to do from Jim, also known as Sandman Mystery Comics. This box came completely well taped, and it is heavy, and I can't wait to crack into it to see what's in there. So let's see what we got. Try to get through this tape as quickly as possible. I might have should have cut some pre-cuts, but you know. I haven't been feeling real well, so this is a little late in getting this done, but I wanted to get it done because you could go over and see Mr. Jim on his channels. He does an auction or does a claim sale on Fridays, and I will leave that link in the description. Oh, buddy, more tape. Here we go. Oh, one more. Come on. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, we'll just take that. There we go. Cheeks. Okay. I'm going to set this box to the side here a little bit. First thing we have in here is Kaiju 8. All 8 copies. Which I was super excited to get this and can't wait to read it. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be good. Okay, awesome. So I was hoping they were packed in the top, because that's what we set up this handy dandy little book holders for. There we go. All right. Let's see what we got next. Nicely bubble taped. Oh my goodness. Yep. Moved over there. The best tape for comics, painter's tape. Never any Scotch tape. Yuck. Okay. Them out. 2 more pieces and we'll be in business. Sometimes I get stuff from these claim sales and then not feeling well, and it's almost like a surprise when I open the boxes. I can't remember what all I was expecting. Ay, ay, ay. All right. First up, X-Men. I think this may. There was a 1 or 2 that he thought might have got packed in my box that weren't mine. I'll have to check on that one. And Power Girl Special. Justice League Incarnate. Yeah. Oh, I wonder if these may have been. He does a thing where you can get 10 pulls for $1 a comic, and well, it's 5 pulls for $5, and you get 2 free. If you do 10, then you get 4 free. And if you find a star, then you get a special book or a special prize. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. But now I'm not quite sure. But well, we'll go through it and then I'll figure it out with him later. We got Wonder Woman here. Dark Hawk. And these books are all just pristine. Birds of Prey. New Mutants. June 2099. I have this issue, but this one is in much, much better shape than the one I have. Green Lantern. Okay. There's that stack. We'll move them over here. More bubble wrapped goodness. Okay. Definitely make sure everything is nice and secure in the packaging, and so that it gets to you without the post office beating it up. Now this is the star when he does the pulls, and it indicates that you've won something special. Oh, Captain Marvel, #1. Justice League 45. Variant cover, I believe, from Dynamite Gargoyles. Ant-Man. Dreadstar. Kong of Skull Island. Blech. I thought this would be a cool read. Trying to move things around a little bit, so hopefully the glare won't be too bad. So we got 2 and #4. And Steve Ditko's Weird Comics. Since it's open, we'll do a little flip. Oh yeah, looks like fun. And I'll take some of these stickers off. All right, Mighty Mouse. Oh, what a nice copy. Usually I find they're so beat up, and that's why I'm just loving Jim Sales. We have Wonder Woman. Another Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman. He also comes on Mondays with Aaron, Psychotronicsquirtgun, which I need to open the box from him as well. But I'll link his channel in the description too. Red Hembeck destroys the Marvel Universe. Yeah, so these are the ones that I ordered. These were the 10 pulls. Yes. Thor. Love Thor. Great cover there. But this one, the one I was really excited for. And look at $3. I cannot believe I got this for $3. Look at that glorious cover. I like it. And that is the The good boy. He's a good boy. So, thanks for watching, and thanks, Mr. Jim. And that's great that there was that copy of Doom in the 10 pulls, because I've been really getting into the Doom, the new Doom series, One World Under Doom. It's great, and this is like such a much better copy than the one that I have. So y'all take care, and we'll catch you on the flip. Bye.